Alright guys, thanks for the quick fill. I'm going to set up here the Charlie Brown I raffled off. 7:56 p.m. May 9th. We will go live. We are live. 7:56 p.m. 7:56 p.m. We got 20 spots. We are going to grab the list. When I updated everybody being paid here, let me refresh the page so I get the list. I just put payment marks next to everybody. Alright, here we go. We are going to grab the list. 20 spots. Drop it into random. Robert Wojak on the bottom. Matt Reichman on top. We have 20 entries. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 5. We're going 5 times. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 times. Dice shows a 5. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 5. Congrats to Ben, spot 17. You are the winner. Get in touch with me and I will get you Charlie Brown. We are done. 7:57 p.m. Go back. We will type done. We are done. 7:57 p.m. 7:57 p.m. Here is the timestamp and verification.